looks pretty cool. Light. Whoa now. Never mind, we're not adding this yet. Look at that. Check that shit out. Great. The moment I focus in on it more. Oh, there we go. Anyone that's only listening, look right now. Look at this. That crosshatch pattern. Real-time crystal growth right here. And these are the patterns that I love to photograph. These are the patterns I love photographing. You guys like it close, or do you want me to zoom backwards a little bit here to get a wider field? I kind of like it close up. Keep following it. Here, I should full screen this. Let's hide things. Look at it peeling away the blue food coloring as the crystals grow through there. Isn't that awesome? Is it a graph of bad movies plot branching all over and never to converge? Yeah, Nick, hang on to your gift subs. I'm mostly kidding. I can always re-record these because when someone wants me to like properly do these, I'll make sure not to like be moving and jittering the camera and all that. But it's nice to catch this serendipitously. Oh man, more of it over here. Look at those patterns. Someone's mentioning a Bard collab. One of my photos of the crystals of this substance is actually present on one of her track covers. So if you're on our Bandcamp and you look at the track Sunchild, if you look very closely, you'll notice this exact pattern on there. I'll link her Bandcamp in.